So hey guys, tini bahaya yang Shadi thang tunggu amprau khwlaijak tini kai dolni Shadi wa. So tinta kasi jaga tunggu garau thanai orau thanai so naitnan blog ma cha sak ketal please subscribe. Finally shuk ka Kailai panda jaga wa ta kham nai gana pendal phunu gana emni to misti muk khema ba kai ma khai phunu male tang onek late chok jagi ko skang besi kala rak. Khwlaijak yang kajang beri kajang celani banner tumpai photoshoot bus kan coffee tunggu takbir kalau nang tak reception hala habana iko aja kon sasuk beka yang asuk khwlaijak to takbir di funungan iko bedi kornar ko mondo bakayo bus kan box tam lajak yang di khai maisari mane so tak asu igina reception hala to ikang bin lagi na hayo
wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for?
To guys, kita bukan macam thang tunggu biang muzani kah yang bunyi login thangna mau pai kang tiki Shadi wa thanai karo funugan abakan dolni no so sekarang orang sathari gana ikka finally mulai kah bisu masuk pegang tapi yang nanya di borok gila masuk lejak so masih kena piang rok di pihak ini yang gift presentation itu lagi ke bahasa penting ini serungjak so tak bayar tanggana nak mana bayar borok fight lagi ke to ini to borok kom na asuk nugia ikka cehre rakara asuk lejak yang gift itu lagi
You've been shattered, you've been broken down. Heart is beating, still won't make a sound. It feels like an angel straight from heaven, just like my lucky number 7. You're my shooting star. We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing. I will always hold you down.
onek bari kata tak tiki Shadi tanggana tak bayi jangan 4:30 ar sobiana 5 PM so let's go numa kanang tak tiki Shadi bari shop kujak habi nang no phone gana piang tam rok nang night vlog no so sak
Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, the only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked.